I bet you $50 you're already looking at the recommended videos on the side of the screen. You clicked on this title because you can't focus. But you are about to click away because, well, you can't focus. Stop it. Look at me. We need to talk about why your brain is broken. Here is the scary truth. You don't have the attention span of a goldfish. That's a myth. Goldfish are actually pretty chill. You have the attention span of a crack addict in a casino. You have spent the last 10 years training your brain to demand a reward every 15 seconds. Text message? Ding, dopamine. Instagram like? Ding, dopamine. Amazon package delivered? Ding, dopamine. You have turned your life into a high-speed video game. But here's the problem. Real life is boring. Doing your taxes is boring. Writing that report for your boss is boring. So when you try to do these things, your brain screams. It goes into withdrawal. It says, where are the flashing lights? Where's the Subway Surfer video? It's called popcorn brain. Your thoughts are popping around so fast that you can't settle on one thing. You sit down to work, and within 30 seconds, you are checking email. Then you check Twitter. Then you check the fridge. You aren't multitasking. You are just failing at 3 things simultaneously. And the worst part? You think this is normal. The people running the world, the ones raising your rent, they aren't doom scrolling. They are focused. So how do we fix this without throwing your iPhone into a river? Step 1. Embrace the boring. You need to retrain your brain to tolerate silence. Next time you're waiting in line at the grocery store, do not pull out your phone. Just stand there. Look at the gum. Look at the ceiling. It will feel painful. You will feel an itch to check notifications. Let it itch. Step 2. Add friction. You are lazy. Use that to your advantage. Right now, your distractions are too easy. The candy is on the table. If you have to work, put your phone in another room. Put it in a drawer. If you have to stand up and walk across the apartment, you won't do it. Step 3. The monotasking rule. Stop lying to yourself. Pick one thing. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Do that thing. If your brain tries to wander, tell it to shut up. It's like training a puppy. If the puppy tries to run away, you pull the leash. Eventually, the puppy sits down. Your brain is the puppy. Look, in an economy where everyone is distracted, attention is a superpower. If you can sit in a chair and focus on one thing for 4 hours, you are basically a wizard. So, make a choice. Are you the consumer or are you the creator? Now close this tab. Don't click the next video, just close it. Go do some work. Bye.